Your love problems and carrot. This card is open. Your love problems is not from today. It's very long year ago, and you must leave that love and found another. Okay. Maya, thanks from answer. Thanks, you welcome. Next question. Placido Glasgow the Dead. Who cast the spell My House? Is this somebody who I know? Thank you. Cast the spell. Okay. Okay. It's very hard question. Cast the spell for your house is many person. Two men and one girl. And answer from you, for you, Placido Glasgow, is somebody you know. It's your ex-girlfriend, and now she's girlfriend for your friend, and one cousin cast the spell. These three person cast the spell. Okay. Next question. Question arrive all over the world. Monica Canada, the Hierophant. How will I know if my studies for my professional career will be enough for my parents? What my future holds? Okay, Monica. Let me see what the tarot says. Okay. Let me see now. The situation is changed. And something is now different. Something like that. It's commercial break. Now we again live in studio in my TV. Welcome to Magic Milan show. TV Magic Milan. Okay, answer from you is your studies and professional career not will be enough for your parents. Your future is very long and very hard, and your parents don't understand your studies because your parents is socialist robots, understand? And your parents have a brain washed, understand? Okay, you may ask me on Twitter, Facebook and all kind of net. Next, Louis, Dominican Republic, the Emperor. Do I have because on my house? Okay, let me see what Tarot says. Okay. Answer for Luis. Luis. Luis, no, you have no boy curse, but this card says that you have early because. Okay. Next question. Mehmet Istanbul the Devil, what I'm expect in my future. Okay, let me see. Answer to Mehmet. Mehmet, you will expect in your future many money, but many jobs. Okay. Next question. Palacio Ottava the Hierophant. Many problems I have. How to find a solution to my problems? Your number to find you. Only solution to find your problems and your and my number. You may call the number 381 62 832 7372. Okay. Magic Milan, Johnny Havana, the Temperance. Do this, Cuban girl, love me. Thank you. Okay. Let me see the answer. No, this Cuban girl don't love you, and she have just one boy. Okay. Plejada, Buenos Aires, the Justice. My future interest me and my future. Thank you. Okay. Let me see your future. Your future is very hard, and your future is something like that. Your future is very hard, and you must believe in your future. Okay? Next question.